any, you can change it to whatever you want, you know what I mean?
So this is set up fully to run this facility, just come over today. Looks like they only have 2 pins, but more pins to be added, so you can do like 15-minute intervals. It's ready for the whole 2 hours or an hour. I'm not sure what they want. It's also hooked up to the CO detectors, which are scattered throughout the garage. There's an intake louver at the end that will open when this turns on. I don't know, it's pretty typical. If you need more chance, we can.
Here if you have to kick it on too.
Mhm.
Because it's,
There aren't any extra pins in there, are there?
No.
Anything else?
Question, probably maybe you guys can the answer to, it strikes us as kind of unusual, and we're assuming that this is for the jockey pump, for the dry system, that it's just plugged in like that, or?
We had that same, my boss had that same concern, and he thought I just put a tail on there. I said, oh no, that's how it came, and I said, I don't know if this is, and I said, I don't wanna cut the cord or anything, cause it's not, then it won't be UL approved, and if something happens, then they won't,
Right.
warranty it. So I don't know if somebody's gonna talk to the sprinkler guy, if they're gonna get some kind of different compressor, or what they're gonna wanna do, because as of right now, that's how I did it, cause I don't wanna cut the cord
Right.
and wire it in there.
Yep.
So I don't know what what solution they're gonna come up with. If they're gonna have to get a different compressor, or what they're gonna have to do.
Yeah, it was just.
Cause I've always seen them where it's, you know, hardwired in.
Right, yeah. 'Cause
And I've seen them with a disconnect and everything too, if you have to work on something, so. That's where we're at with that right now, so I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, it didn't take much to unplug that and.
No, so I know exactly what you're saying, so hopefully there's gonna be some resolution on that
Yeah.
before this,
You can't judge how fast.
the test for the fire alarm, so. But yeah, that was kind of unusual too when I seen it, and my boss thought I put a tail on there, I said, I did not. And he's like, let me go look at it, and he's like, okay, you didn't. So, I think they're trying to figure out what they're gonna do with it, cause I don't wanna just cut the cord and, cause if something happens to that compressor, and then they go to take it in, it's not gonna be warranted, they're gonna be like, well, you cut the cord on that, you
Right.
know, so.
Yeah.
So, I haven't heard anything
He's okay, he didn't.
about it yet, so.
The condenser that's over there, where is their central system? Is that like a community room? or
Yep, that's for the community room and the fitness room.
Alright,
something?
And the disconnect's right there, and it's got a GFI right on it, and the breaker's right upstairs in that same unit upstairs, in that mechanical room
Okay.
for all that, so. And then there is the mechanical room down here for like the water heaters and all that kind of stuff are over there too. I'm sure the plumber will probably go through that with you where all that stuff is located, but. And then you got your modines down here. There's two modines.
Two modines.
Two modines? Okay, yeah, there's one there and then one by the door over there, right, kind of by the.
Yeah, you can see it right here.
And then there should be one, okay, yep, and there's the others, so. And then the lights in the storage units are all on a sensor. Kind of like the storage units here. So they're all on the occupancy sensor. The lights on the side bays are on a sensor as well. The lights straight down the middle are on all the time. So like after 5 minutes, these will go off. And you can set them to anything you want. I just kept them to the factory default, which was 5 minutes. But they, you know, so. And then obviously the light by the elevator is on all the time, because you have to have that on all the time. And then by each door basement door coming down, I kept that light on all the time too, so you know that on. With side bays and storage units, occupancy sensor, this run down the middle on all the time.
And you might know the answer to this, it's actually not specific to this building, well, I'm asking one question. In one of our downtown Madison buildings, we have no emergency lighting in 2 sub-levels of parking. I see that you've got emergency light there. What is the code for it, do you know?
I don't, I would assume that you would need that. I was actually in a building in Middleton, and it was a brand new building, and, like a couple weeks ago, and I was down in their basement too, and I'm like,
Is there a generator?
why is there no?
There may have been, I think Ben and I were just talking about that this morning.
She's recording this, maybe a conversation for Adam.